step will be your cash flow statement preparation. Okay, cash flow statement. So if particular person's name or particular company's name is given, all those things you have to mention here in the heading itself. Okay. So the first step will be your fund from operations calculation. The second step will be cash from operations calculation, for which I have given you the format. And your third step will be your cash flow statement preparation. So again, it is a statement format for which you will use only the single side of your accounts note. Okay, so the first column will be your particulars column, and the second column will be your amount column, and the third column will be your amount column. Okay, so this is the particulars column. All the details will be entered over here, and your amount column. This is for the inner column. You can do calculations here and show the final amount net effect here. Second column. This is the final. Okay, so you need three columns. So here it is somewhat different in fund flow statement. If you see, you will start with sources of funds. Then you find what all the sources is there. You will just find out the add all together total sources of funds. You will find out, and application of funds. You will list down all the items, and sources minus applications. You will find either increase in working capital or decrease in working capital, and find out whether the amount is getting matched with the first step. So that is your fund flow statement preparation. Now cash flow statement preparation is somewhat different here. Now what will be the first item? No, opening balance of cash. Opening balance of cash. Okay. So opening balance of cash, opening balance you can just mention. So under that you can mention cash bank. So these are the two items it will start with. Your cash flow statement will start with. Okay, so take for example in previous question itself. If you are going to prepare this one as per the cash flow statement method, now no, what you will do no stock data and all already you would have taken this for cash from operations calculation. Okay, so this sum if you are going to prepare cash flow statement, not fund flow. If you take for example, then what you will do no fund from operations as usual you will prepare normal way. Okay, adjusted P&L or net profit information means statement, all those things has got over. Fund from operations you have calculated. Now cash from operations you have to calculate means, for that you will take only these two items. Only current asset you have to take. That current asset also cash bank you should leave. You should skip that one. And only stock debtors மட்டும் தான் எடுக்கணும். Okay, அது increase ஆயிருக்கா decrease ஆயிருக்கா அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி you have to either add or you have to subtract. That one thing. Furniture, machinery, all those things as usual அது வந்து based upon sale or purchase it will be taken. So that you leave it out. Okay, so cash at bank opening balance means what? அதை explain பண்றதுக்கு தான் I have taken this one. Okay, so opening balance means one which is there at the beginning that year no 2006 2007 means this is known as opening balance. This is known as closing balance. That you should understand. Now opening balance means this amount only I have to take. Suppose சில question it will be only cash மட்டும் information இருக்கும். Some of the question no cash bank information will be there. Some of the questions like it depends upon the question. Some question only cash will be there about 20,000 this amount only you will take. Where you will take this opening balance now I told 20,000 okay. But some of the questions no it will have even bank also. Then what you have to know take no 20,000 30,000 both you have to take. 20,000 plus 30,000 50,000 you have to take. So you will write here 20,000 30,000. So the amount is 50,000. Either you can show here in the outer column, and then here after this no what you will do all the sources you will add. You will add either symbol you can use or add you can give. Sources of fund you should not mention because it is a cash flow statement. Better to write it as sources of cash. Now usual normal how you will do your issue of shares and debentures, and then sale of furniture, machinery, what all things no inflow it comes into your business as cash. All those things you can mention under sources of cash. Okay, how you do there, the same thing only. But cash flow statement, initially you will be having the opening balance. Opening balance only cash is given in your question means only that amount you will take. Even bank detail also is there, no, then that also you will take, because cash and cash equivalents only we discussed in the definition itself. Cash flow statement, why it is prepared, in order to know about your cash position better. And here you will be considering cash and cash equivalents, near cash equivalents. That means what? Cash and bank, other than that any short term marketable securities, that also will be taken here. Okay, so cash, bank, these two details, no, it will be available in your balance sheet, and you have to take only the opening balance. So if you are going to take means you should add 20,000 and 30,000 only. அதுக்கு தப்பா வந்து 20,000 26,000 if you add and keep, no, then your sum will become wrong. So you should keep in mind only opening balance you have to take, because opening balance oda number what we are going to do here, sources of cash everything you will add, and application of cash everything you will subtract. Applications of cash everything you will subtract here. Applications of cash will subtract. Finally, no, the answer whatever you are getting 50,000 is there. Sources of cash, sale of machinery, what all thing sources you know, sale, sale of machinery or sale of furniture, whatever might be. That one something around 3,000 or like that any amount. Similarly, then further other items, if you are going to issue something, issue of shares or debentures, whatever might be. Share capital, if it is getting raised means issue. So issue பண்ணும்போது fund is sorry cash is coming into your business. So that might be 1 lakh or something raise. So like this, if you get some items, no, all those items you will add here. So 1 lakh 3,000. Again in the 50,000, with that this 1 lakh 3,000 you have to add and show, because opening balance order you have to add all the items and show as total sources of cash. Okay, with that application of cash everything you will subtract. Payment, or if you are making anything, okay, dividend or tax, interim dividend, tax, like that any payment if you make, no, that one. And then if you are going to redeem your shares and debentures, then that will be shown under application of cash. All those things, any items like that, no, you will just list on here as usual normal way. Purchase of machinery or purchase of furniture, anything applications you will show, and final amount everything you can add, and you can then subtract also. You can add all the items and then you can subtract each and every item, like 5,000 to like this some amount is there means you can add this all together. It can be anything, purchase of machinery one item, and then redemption of repayment of loan, redemption of shares and debentures, something. Okay, so for everything you can add this together 8,000, like that you can show. And at last what you have to do, you have to subtract with that total sources on total applications, so you have to subtract how you subtracted there. Same way, but only one thing additionally what we included means opening balance of cash bank, that item, their current assets we have shown, working capital it would have gone first step. Here you have left, you have skipped that item every places, and you have brought only to the last step here. Opening balance, with that sources you have to add and find out total source getting, that you can consider even as A. And applications of cash, no, again you can list down what all the thing is there. Total applications you can add and show this 8,000. Finally, A minus B, that is total sources minus total applications. You can find out one amount. Now, what is that amount, you know? After finding out the difference, total applications you would have done. Total applications of cash. So that will be your B. Hmm? Here you would have found out total sources. Total sources here. Okay, so this will be considered as A. Okay, so this amount, you have to draw that lines, all those things you have to adapt. Total sources, similarly, total applications, suppose 8,000 or 1 lakh, whatever might be that amount. You are getting after doing your problem, whatever amount you are getting, you should mention here. So this will be the okay. So like this, you will do the working everything. Okay. So opening balance, with that all sources you have to add and find out what is the total sources of cash. Similarly, application of cash, everything you have to list down and find out how much amount you are getting. And A minus B, what you will get, no, that is the closing balance of cash and bank. Okay, closing balance of cash. Suppose if there is only cash, no, just mention as cash. If suppose bank is there in that problem question, means better to mention as cash and bank both together. But you cannot find out how much amount. But if you go to the question, no, you can find out, because your problem is starting with cash and cash at bank. Opening balance 20 plus 30, 50,000. You are starting with that. Adoda, all the sources you are going to add, all the applications you are going to subtract and find out one answer. Now that answer and your closing balance of cash and bank both should be tallied. Suppose here if you see, no, 26,000, 44,000, this is your closing balance of cash and bank. So 26 plus 44, if you see, it is 70,000. Okay, 70,000, this value, no, that value you should get as your balancing figure here also. 70,000, if it is coming here only, your answer is entire sum is right, or else again it is wrong. You have done mistake somewhere in artham. So 70,000 you should get here. It should start with opening balance that you can obtain from the question. Yeah, if you have only cash you will take. If it is bank is there, bank also you will take, and both you will add together. All the sources you will mention as usual, how you done for fund flow statement, same way. And application of cash, no, that one, all the things whatever there, no, that also you will mention, and you will find out what is the application of cash. After that you are going to find out the difference, no, that amount and your whatever question available, no, this closing balance. If it is only cash, na, this 26,000 you have to obtain as your answer, closing balance. Okay, if you are getting bank balance also, no, then you have to add these together and find out how much amount you are getting. That this is 70,000, means your final answer also should get that same 70,000 only here. But you cannot differentiate cash how much, bank, but already it has been given here, no, in question. So 26,000, 44,000, that's all. That is the cash and bank. That 70,000 you should get as your value. So then only a sum is right, or else you have done mistake. Okay, so this is the way for preparing your cash flow statement, but this is not as per the accounting standard 3. Accounting standard 3 na, here so the format, the same only here also. Closing balance of cash, that same 70,000 means 70,000 you should get here. but little modifications will be there in preparing that cash flow statement. Some of the items it will get deferred here, it will get changed over there. Okay, so all these you have to keep in mind. So this is the usual way for preparing your cash flow statement. So cash flow statement, fund flow statement, basic difference according to the problem. If you see, these are the steps for preparing cash flow statement. Fund flow statement, if you see, those three steps are different. Both are somewhat same only, but where you are going to take the each and every item, that is the main aspect. Fund flow statement, this will be your second step. First step will be your schedule of changes in working capital, all current assets, all current liabilities you will take. Here, your starting step itself, fund from operations. In order to calculate cash from operations, you are doing all these things. Current liability, current asset, increase, decrease. Based upon that, you have to put, and you should not take your cash and bank balance here. And if you have any bank overdraft also, you should not take. Bank overdraft means here you will get negative answer. Positive answer you will not get. A minus it will go. Sometimes no, in accounts no, minus badla they will give in brackets. If 8,000 minus 8,000 varudana, minus 8,000, sometimes it will be shown in within brackets. Okay, within brackets na minus na artho negative. So like this, you will be preparing cash from operations other than cash and bank balance, because we are going to take it over here. Okay, so we are taking this item here, so that you should skip your this item here. Okay, only other than cash and bank you have to take over here. Other than bank overdraft also. Bank overdraft also you will take only here. Okay, you have to show in minus. Within brackets you will be showing here. Closing balance also, only bank overdraft is there. Cash nothing is there means bank overdraft only is there in our sum means within brackets we will show. Negative answers like it will come then. Okay, so most probably you will not get all those tedious things, but even then you should know how to proceed that. If you have wider knowledge, then whatever the sum they give, no, you can manage and work it out. Or that only possible, what are the possibilities you can get, we are discussing in the class. Okay, so if suppose if you are getting bank overdraft means instead of cash the bank overdraft nera liabilities la in question, no, your cash at bank, cash anything will not be there. Bank overdraft only one item will be there. That only you can take as opening balance, this amount you can take. Closing balance one amount you can find out as answer after working out cash flow statement. Entire thing you can get the answer. So that will be negative answers varudana, then because of bank overdraft. No positive things are there. Cash bank asset side la instead of that bank overdraft is there means negative la the answer varum. Closing balance. Okay, so like this also you might get problem. So if you can have any such items, no, you just skip from this. Other than that, you can take all the other current assets and current liability, and you can find out the amount that will be your cash from operations. What all the items to add, what all the items to minus, that you should remember. And each and every asset liability while comparing also, you should be very careful in calculating that one also. Okay, so sometimes balance sheet they will give us shuffled. 2007 information will be first, 2006 information will be at the end. So while comparing, no, okay, the purchase, okay, the sale, you cannot come to a conclusion. Which year they are giving, under that year, what is the amount? Current year, what is the amount? You have to compare and then do. Maximum they will give first year this one, and next year will be your current year. But at times you might get even shuffled one. Year 2007 will be here and 2006 will be here. Okay, so while taking, no, you might get confused. Opening balance of cash up எங்கேருந்து எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்றது you should know. And similarly, while verifying your assets, other than other items also, increase decrease, you might get confused there. So here what they have given, either it is shuffled or most probably will be in the same pattern only. previous year, current year, same pattern only will be there. At times you might get like that. So all those things also you should carefully read out the questions properly, whatever they have given. So better to go through the entire sum and then you start to work out the problem. Each and every item you have to go through where it will appear, the problem. So this is the cash flow statement that is prepared in a normal thing. But cash flow statement as per AS3 accounting standard 3, it somewhat it gets differed that we can discuss. Yes,